Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy a quitclaim deed with LawDepot, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, visit the LawDepot website. In the top navigation bar, find and click on Real Estate. Next, choose Quitclaim Deed from the options presented. Once on the Quitclaim Deed page, select Get Started to begin your document creation. You will be prompted to choose your state from a drop-down menu. Select the state where the property is located. Click Continue to proceed to the next step. Now, you'll need to enter the details of the property. Fill in the property address, including city and state. Next, provide the names of the parties involved in the transaction. This includes the grantor, or the person transferring the property, and the grantee, or the person receiving it. Make sure to accurately input all names, as they will appear on the deed. Once you've entered all parties, click Continue to move to the next section. You may now specify any additional terms or conditions related to the transfer. If there are no special conditions to include, simply skip this section. Afterward, review the information provided to ensure everything is correct. Once confirmed, click Continue to finalize the document. The next screen will display a summary of the quitclaim deed. Take a moment to review the summary for accuracy. When you're satisfied, click Create Document. Your quitclaim deed will now be generated. You can download the document in PDF format. Now, print the quitclaim deed on a standard sheet of paper. Ensure all parties sign the document in the appropriate places. Finally, consider checking if the deed needs to be notarized. This may vary depending on your state's requirements. Once completed, file the quitclaim deed with your local recording office to make it official. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.